Hi guys, so I wanted to give you an update on our homeschool room. It's taken a while to get everything put together, plus my husband did some baseboard and all his tools were laying around, but I wanted to give you a update on our new school room slash craft room. So I already loaded the before video and now I'm going to take you in there and show you the end result. So let's go. Okay, so here it is. Let's see. It looks awfully dark today, doesn't it? So this is, as you can see, this is our loft. Excuse me, I have laundry sitting right there. But we went to IKEA and we bought the desk. So this is the desk. It's got the stapler, and my son actually made that for me years back when I homeschooled him. And I really like this desk because it has the two drawers. Sorry about that. It has the two drawers, so there's one. And that's the other one. You have to know that this is kind of a multi-purpose room. This is a 5-bedroom house, but all my bedrooms are taken. So the loft is the only place that I really have to put everything that we want to do in. There's our calendar. I got that at Target for I think it was $3. It's really cool. The month changes, and then you know, all the dates change, and it comes with all those little square stickers, birthdays, holidays, that whole thing. I thought that was a pretty good find for $3. And that's just decoration. Right here is basically my craft, you know, my ironing board. I quilt when I can. That's a laminator right there, so I do use that for school. And then this unit was not bought at IKEA, but this was, of course. I'm sure a lot of you will see this and remember this maybe in other videos. I noticed a lot of people use these drawers and the tabletops. It's really inexpensive to get this whole room started. It wasn't that, the price wasn't that bad. So Gracie's school supplies are all, you know, in the drawers as so. I got these inserts from Amazon. They fit perfectly in the drawers. They're expandable. And then all her, you know, pens and stuff are right here. Her school books, which we can put in the bookcase, but since we do them every day, we just kind of leave them there. Excuse my dogs. My husband actually made this whole unit taller. So he put in the baseboards on the bottom, as you can see, and fit them in to make it a little taller for me when I'm sewing, which is really nice because these IKEA chairs here, of course, they have the little levers where you can make them go up or make them go down, like office chairs. Those were $39.99 at IKEA for the chairs. And then over here, you know, I just have our maps. I've homeschooled 3 other children, so I've been getting rid of a lot of younger curriculum. Gracie's in 5th grade this year, so things, but we did K-12, we've done Sonlight, we've done a lot of different curriculum over the years. And this is my quilting unit slash homeschool unit. So as you can see, we've got paper there and construction paper there. Down below is more paper and science kits and all the books. This is just a fraction of what I have. I put these books here because right now these are the books that we will be using, and then my all my material for my quilts. So this is my loft, and this is where we school. Hi, Gracie. Where we school and where we craft. And I'm really happy about it because I would have to take out my sewing machine every day, put it on the dining room table, and then I would have to pick it up so we could have dinner. So I don't have to do that anymore here. And I'm really, really happy about that. I'm happy with the way everything turned out. It does look a little busy up here, but it's very, very functional for me. So yeah, I'm really happy with it. And I hope that this helps with small spaces. If you have a loft or a small space that you need some ideas for, here's some ideas. So I think the desk and the chairs, and then this unit here, and then all the shelving. Let's see. I also got the paper roll there, which was $7.99. You can't beat that at IKEA. And then the rolls of paper were so cheap. I can't even remember how much I paid for them. But for all of this, I think I paid about $600 for all 4 of the drawers, 2 tabletops, the desk, the 2 chairs. This came as, like 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit of bookshelves, the paper, and the tabletop paper holder. So yeah, I think I did pretty good. I'm happy with my purchase, and it, like I said, it's very, very functional and it gets the job done. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I thought I would make a video of the curriculum I'm using for Gracie this year. We decided not to go with Sonlight. We've been doing Sonlight for 3 years. We decided not to this year. I kind of pieced her curriculum together on my own, and so far it's working out really well. So I thought I would make a video and go over the curriculum, and this is just kind of a different video than what I normally do, but if you look back, my videos are kind of all over the board anyway, so I do a little bit of everything. Anyways, if you have any questions, please leave them down below. If you're new, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.